In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if Face ID and passcode option is not showing on your iPhone settings, just like in my case. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And normally, if we open up settings, somewhere here near the Siri and search, somewhere around that, we can usually find Face ID and passcode option. However, if it is not showing here, I got a solution for you. All you have to do to fix that issue is head over to Screen Time, then scroll down and tap at Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, scroll down until just under Allow Changes. You will find Passcode Changes. As you can see, it is set to Don't Allow. We need to get into it and switch it to Allow. After that, we can go back to Settings. It may be necessary to reopen the app to see the changes. And then, if you scroll down just under the Siri and search, now you can easily find Face ID and passcode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.